Humarap sa Senado si Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez.
Sa ginawang post-disaster assessment, sinabi niyang naging handa sila sa pagdating ng bagyo. Pero ang hindi raw nila inasahan ang bagsik ng storm surge. Inamin niyang nahirapan siyang ipaintindi sa publiko ang storm surge. Pero sa kabila raw ng pagpupursige niyang matulungan ang kanyang mga kababayan, inaakusahan pa siyang hindi ginampanan ng maayos ang kanyang tungkulin.
Ayon pa kay Romualdez, noong November 14, pinulong siya ni DILG Secretary Mar Rojas kasama ng iba pang lokal na opisyal. Sinabihan daw siya ni Rojas na dapat siyang gumawa ng sulat na nagsasabing hindi na magfa-function ang lokal na gobyerno para maging legal ang panghihimasok ng national government. Wala pang pahayag si Rojas kaugnay nito.
The Secretary Mar Rojas called for a meeting, the Vice Mayor and the Councilor, and asked me and told me in that meeting that we had to legalize everything here. Then I asked him, what is to legalize here? Well, this is a gray area, that the national government is coming here and doing all this. And then I told him, why is it illegal? As far as I know, the President is the President of the Philippines and he's also President of Tacloban City. I do not see anywhere in the law that you need a letter, an ordinance from me for you to come in and do what you're doing. And he answered me and told me that you have to remember, we have to be very careful because you are a Romualdez and the President is an Aquino. That's why it came out, may lumabas na issue na pinaparesign daw ako. And I corrected that. Hindi ako pinaparesign. Because I went to my lawyers that night and I communicated to Manila and said, what is the need for this letter? Stating my functions, that I can no longer function this and I can no longer do that. And I was asking my lawyer, how do I write such a letter? And the lawyer advised me, do not write that letter. It may be deemed, you may be deemed as resigning or a resignation.